Let's look next at the different parts of a service job. When you click on the job, you can see the title header with the job number, client, date of service, equipment type or manufacturer, and location. You'll also see the address of the site, which you'll need for navigation. Scrolling down, there are a couple of important things to note. Instructions will include things like the problem description of the job, parts that you need to pick up, or important information for meeting clients on site and where to go. It's essential to read these instructions thoroughly every time before you leave for a job. See also the Notes tab. Notes tab will include places for you to add extra pictures, as well as information from dispatch that you may need to know, and information from the parts department. It's always a good idea to read the notes before every service call. Returning to the visit, we'll scroll down to checklists. This is the home of the job form. Job forms are to be filled out completely on every service call. Don't fill out job forms on travel tasks. When you click on the form, you'll see information fields like manufacturer, serial number, etc., as well as places to provide service details and post pictures. It's important to fill out all relevant fields with correct information, including photographs as required, and to provide detailed service notes. You'll get more information later about how to write excellent service notes that are concise but detailed and respond to the nature of the problem. When you close out a call, you'll need to provide your name as well as any technical support you contacted and to obtain a customer signature with the customer's name first and last. It is an essential part of every service call that should never be skipped, so always make sure that you get a signature from your site contact. You'll also state whether the job is complete, check out with dispatch, and confirm that you have completed the form, including all requested documentation, as this is an essential part of the job. Don't forget, if you leave a form without saving, your progress will be lost. If this were your form, you would want to hit Mark Checklist Complete at the bottom of the page. Scrolling down, we also see a space for line items. This will be where you include any parts that you've used on a call. You can add a line item by hitting the plus button. Sometimes you can search for a line item, but especially when you're new, it's a good idea to always check for the part number in a manual with the manufacturer or with a senior technician or the parts department to ensure that your part number is correct. When you add parts, you will also label whether they were used on this date of service, when they were replaced, or something that is needed on next visit for a quote. Always make sure to update these if you return to a site and use parts that were previously quoted. Finally, you have the schedule, which shows you your clock in and out times and the team assigned to the job. That's all for now.